Let's see how to write Nabla in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to type in Nabla, simply head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation, and that will open up this equation field right here. Now the Nabla symbol is something that looks like an inverted triangle. So let's simply look for that in this field right here of the different mathematical operations that you can type into your equation field. So the Nabla symbol is this one. So you can see it's an inverted triangle. So let's go ahead and click on that to insert it into our equation field. And as you can see, we have our Nabla symbol right there. Now, another way that you can do this is first to have your mathematical operations enabled outside equation field. And what you can do is simply type backslash, type in Nabla, and click on space or enter. And that should also automatically transform into the Nabla symbol. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.